All right, so now that we went ahead, we added the contacts, we have the leads in here, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and actually start your automations. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the list you want to work. So we're going to work the one we just uploaded. We're going to click this button, then click select all 79 records. And then you're going to click this little robot that says add a campaign workflow. Hit OK, proceed. And then you're going to pick whatever campaign you want to put it in. So the one I recommend is the cold text campaign. It's the one I start with. And then you can add them all at once. Now this is a smaller list. There's only 79 records, so you can just do it all at once. You can add them all at a scheduled time. So if you want to do it later in the day, if you want to do it another day, you can go ahead and do that. You just would click start on and then pick, if you want to do tomorrow at 5 o'clock, you just would hit check. And then once you hit that, tomorrow, 5 o'clock or 5:32, that's when it's going to go out. And you can also do drip mode. Now, drip mode I use if I have a larger list. Typically under 100, I'll do it just as one, add all at once. But anything over that, you're going to want to break it up in drip mode, so you don't hit them all up at once and you don't get so many responses you can't respond fast enough. So I made that mistake, and you definitely burn up some of the customers if you don't respond quick enough. So drip mode, if you want to do that, you just would pick again when you want to do it. You'd go to batch quantity, however many you want to do. I typically do about 50. I repeat after every about 15 minutes. And it depends on your size and how you want to do it. And that's it. You just have to add a campaign workflow. And you'll be good to go, and they'll start coming in. But for this one, we can just add them all at once. And you just want to put something, a description. It's going to show in your tracking report. Whatever you want to type is fine. I usually just put a dot just to make it easy. But you just hit add a campaign workflow. And it's as easy as that.